Well, hey all, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. Thanks for choosing to watch my video on this Panasonic microwave. Now, I spent 30 plus years in the appliance repair business working on microwaves and training technicians to repair them. Well, I called on that experience 4 years ago when it came time for me to buy a new microwave, and that's why I chose this Panasonic model. Now, this particular microwave doesn't have a turntable, and believe it or not, that's a huge plus. Let me explain to you why that is. One of the biggest advantages of a microwave without a turntable is the simplicity. No glass plate to break or lose, no motor to worry about, and no roller ring underneath that might fail over time. And that's why you rarely see rotating glass plates in commercial microwaves. What really sets this Panasonic microwave apart, though, is its bottom feed waveguide system. Instead of relying on a spinning plate, the microwaves are evenly distributed from the bottom so food cooks more quickly and evenly. Plus, without a turntable, there's more space inside, making it easier to move dishes in and out, especially when they're hot. This heavy-duty microwave is a workhorse designed for commercial use, which means if you use it in your home under normal conditions, it may very well be the last microwave you ever buy. I highly recommend it. Now, if you found this information useful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.